guys, welcome back to Liam Audio and Sport channel. Right now we are going to make an instrument cable. As you can see, this is an XLR cable. This is a 4.5 meter long, and you can see this is my soldering device. This is my cutting plier. This is my clamp plier, and this is my soldering device, and this is my clamping device. Okay. First, we are going to open this jack. This is a 1/4 inch jack TS mono guys, and the tip is the main signal, and this is the sleeve. Okay, we are going to open this end. First take the XLR cable and put it on the back of this. Okay, and the jack, place it on the clamping device so we can solder it. Okay, on the XLR cable, it's about 2 centimeter. We are going to peel this conduit cable, guys. Okay, just scratch it around the surface so we can remove this. This is my way, this is my way to doing this. Okay, and you got the hole inside is still intact. Okay, and we are going to divide this shielded area, the shielded cable, and make it one. Okay, so just make it one, guys. As you can see, there are 2 main cable. This is a stereo XLR cable, guys, and this part is going to cut, and I'm going to cut this part because we don't need it. I'm usually using the red one for the main signal, because this is a mono, so we are going to use only one signal, and this we are going to combine it with the shielded cable, with the grounding guys. Okay, as you can see, we are going to measure it. I'm going to cut this so I can get a good. Okay, and this I'm going to cut this. Okay, just trim it a little, guys, so I can and using a soldering tin so we can okay. I'm usually doing this with my finger across, as you can see, guys. This is my way. You can try your way. It's no problem, guys. You just choose the best way for you to. This is only my way, okay, guys. Okay, and this is the main signal. We are going to solder it. Just fill up the chamber with the solder tin. Okay, Okay, I guess this is enough. Okay, just check if it is strong enough. Okay, I think this is strong enough, guys. Okay, and we are going to get this inside the cable and place it on this and lock it with the back. Okay, finished, guys. This is the TS quarter of inch TS jack for instrument, guys. I already soldered the end part. Okay, and we are going to check if the cable is connected. You can see this is a TS jack and a TS jack, and this is the okay, guys. Now the number 2, you can see the jack is the tip. Okay, inside this is the tip and this is the tip. Okay, it is connected, yeah. And then the number 1 is the sleeve, and this is a sleeve. Okay, and remember, guys, the number 3 is a ring. The blue wire, the blue wire is connected to the sleeve, the grounding. Okay, as you can see, the blue wire is connected to the sleeve. Okay, guys, this is correct. Okay, done. Thank you, guys, for watching. I hope that this video is useful for you and for others. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and share. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, thank you. See you again in the next video.